everybody, welcome back. Today I just want to show you guys how I apply my false eyelashes, because I found this amazing way of applying eyelashes underneath your lashes. And what I use is the Falscara eyelashes. It comes in this kit with the bond seal, the lashes and the tweezers, and you can also get them individual, like in different styles. They have these, and then also let me put this back here. Also what I like about it, that you can buy everything individual. And yeah, so they also have the Falscara remover. It's super awesome because I think I can tell you this bond and seal system lasts absolutely amazing. Like if you take care of your lashes, you can reuse them at least 4 or 5 times, and literally and also you can they last for at least 4 days, depends. Sometimes you will lose one eventually, but it's so easy to apply them. It's so easy to just put them back on with this bond and seal. What it is, let me explain to you. You get them lashes. They come in this little box, one by one. I'll show you real quick here, like this. They're like clusters, 5 on each side of your eyes, and you get this bond and seal system. So the bond is basically a black glue in this little wand that you apply like a mascara. Then it comes with some amazing tweezers, Kiss tweezers. Here we go. And what you do is you take them lashes and apply them underneath, but I will show you in a minute how I applied those. And when you're done, there is the seal. It's like also like a little mascara wand that you just basically brush it underneath to make it last longer, and also to seal the glue. So, and they look really natural. Let me show you real quick. You can see it's underneath, like there's nothing. They're really nice, and they're super lightweight. That's what I love about them, because they don't look too dramatic or whatever. But yeah, I will show you right now how I put them on. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's get this started. I'm going to use the Falscara cluster lashes, and these are the volumizing wisp. Okay, I'm gonna use these, and also I got here the glue, the bond, and my tweezers. Alright, let's get this started. I'm gonna zoom you in. Okay, so you take your clusters out the box. This is what you get. And this is pretty easy to apply actually. So you just take the bond side, is that one. It's the black one. And basically what you do, okay, when this is your clusters, and what you do is you turn it around, so this side goes on the right eye and this side on the left eye, so just like that. And I just like to put them in front of me, so that way, and I'm kind of zoomed in right now, but I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Alright, so one eye is done. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. Just taking the bond and go on my lashes just like you do with the mascara. But focus not too much on the ends, more like on the inside, like on the lash line, that it's nice and coated. The same. Take the first lash and just place it, let me see, underneath. Just like that. Super easy. Number 3. Come on in. So number 4. Number 5. And once again, I just give him a squeeze. And then you just take the seal and also just go underneath, coat them, to take away all the stickiness or whatever. Just like that. What I like to do is, if I can find it, I have my little mascara brush or comb or whatever, like eyelash comb, and I just like to go through it like this. So yeah, so this is how I apply my Falscara eyelashes, and if you look, they look pretty natural. And they're super lightweight, and they have different ones. Like I said, they come like in different styles and stuff. Okay guys, so this is how I applied my lashes, or apply my lashes in regular. I think it's much easier to just do it underneath. I don't know, if you want to do it, it's super easy to do it. I have actually problems put the strip lashes on top. I don't know why. I just have really bad issues doing so, and I feel that they feel much more lighter underneath. And I also tried, let me show you real quick. I tried different, like I tried regular like these, putting also with the same bond and seal system. I put those underneath and it works just the same, really amazing. And the good part is, if you don't want to buy these because they're like a little pricier, they're like about, I don't know, like $9, $10. And this whole system is about $18, I think, if you buy the starter kit. But if you want to buy just the glue, like the bond and sealer, just like that, at Ulta Beauty they have it, I think. Yes, Ulta Beauty got them, and also Walmart. You can just buy that and just use those trio clusters, and they're like more natural because they're not too big like these ones. even though they are like super nice and natural looking, but these are like a little smaller, and you can, these are I think like $3 or $4. So if you don't want to spend all the money in the whole kit, just get the bond and then get just the little trios. I don't know, this way, here we go, yeah. And that's it. The only thing you might want to buy extra is like tweezers that are like round like this. Kiss has them, just easier to apply them that way, because if you use like the straight tweezers, it's kind of hard to wrap them. This is super convenient. Yeah, this is what I do and how I apply my lashes underneath my own lashes, and no struggle, no problem. And to take it off, just soak a cotton ball with the little Kiss remover. This is also available for like I think $8 or $9, and just soak it, put it on top, and just take them off. Super easy. I really love this system, and it's a real lifesaver if you have issues like me putting the strip lashes on top. But yeah, this is all for today, and I hope you like my little presentation. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and I will see you soon.